What's up guys, I'm Josh White, Factory Supercross Superstar, and this is my bike check. The cranks I'm running are the Factory Speedline Elite Carbons, and they're in the 175mm sizing. Gear I'm running is a 44/7/16 on a 1.6 tire. And to talk about those tires, I'm running the Tioga Faster X, 7.5 in the front and 6.0 in the back on my Speedline Slasher rims, laced up with the Speedline Killer Buzz hubs. Bzzz. Now to the forks, I'm running the Speedline tapered carbon forks. For my bars, I'm running the Supercross bars in the huge size. Since I'm going so fast, I need a brake that really slows me down, so I'm running the Speedline Elite V brakes. I'm never sitting, but if I ever need to, I have the Supercross Elite padded saddle. This thing is sweet! All right guys, thanks for checking out my bike check, but I gotta go.